I'm in Gdańsk on Poland's Baltic coast to try the most viral food here. Soup, dumplings and beer, all the best Polish food. I'm going to order something traditional from Gdańsk, herring. Okay, dziękuję. 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 So I've ordered the herring with tomato. Okay, so first of all, what a huge portion. This thing is massive, as you can see. Also, the wait time was really short. I waited like 1 or 2 minutes, which was fantastic. The price as well, super cheap, 29 zloty. Let's give it a try. So the herring is pickled. It's got a really strong flavour. It is so fishy. With the onion as well, which is pickled, and with the chives, it's an interesting combination. I'm not a massive fan of pickled fish, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it, out of 10, a 6. Okay, I've gone for something traditionally Polish, Karkówka, which is pork neck. I've got it with mustard, ketchup, and of course, the obligatory pickle. You can't be in Poland and not try the pickle. Okay, let's dive in. Bit of ketchup, bit of mustard, and a bite of pickle. Oh yeah, that is delicious. The meat is really tender, really succulent with that barbecue char on it. The ketchup and mustard goes perfectly with it, and the saltiness of the pickle is to die for. I absolutely love that. My first time trying Karkówka, pork neck. I'm going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Next, I wanted to try a local beer, and I was also offered some mustard at the same time. My hands are full. First, the mustard on the stick. The mustard was a traditional mustard, also made in Gdańsk. It's a really sweet mustard. I think that'd be really nice on a hot dog. Now the beer, Korsarz from Gdańsk. The beer is 8.7%, so pretty strong. Let's give it a try. Oh wow, that is delicious. It's flat, it's not fizzy. It's very sweet. Tastes of honey to me. I really like that. I'm going to give the beer an 8 out of 10. Very sweet, but delicious. I'll give the mustard a 7 out of 10. As you probably know, if you're a regular viewer of the channel, I have got a really sweet tooth, so I've stopped off for some Polish cake. I've gone for an apple cake, which is called szarlotka in Polish. It looks delicious, got like a crumble on top, nice apple. Let's give it a whirl. It's like a cold apple crumble basically, but very nice. Yeah, I really like that. I'd definitely order that again. The other cake I've gone for, it looks a bit messy now because I've already dived into it. It's what's this one called? Karkówka. Lots and lots of cream, choux pastry, meant to resemble like a mountain range. This also looks delicious. This one's really sweet. Probably not as nice as the szarlotka, but I would also order this again. Pierogi ruskie. Some local Poles have told me that pierogi ruskie are the most traditional Polish dumplings. Let's give them a try. Miasto Aniołów, which is a restaurant right next to the river, and I've ordered pierogi ruskie. I've never had them before. Traditional Polish dumplings with potatoes, cottage cheese, fried onions, and sour cream. I'm really looking forward to trying them. I'm so hungry. Cheers, na zdrowie. My pierogi ruskie have arrived. Let's get stuck in. Smacznego. Dip them in the sour cream. There's actually no onion. I thought it was meant to have fried onion. I can't see any onion. Anyway, they're okay. I'm getting the potato flavour, a little bit of cottage cheese. They've sprinkled some chives over the top, but they're pretty simple, to be honest. The presentation isn't great. I waited about 25 minutes as well for them. I'm a bit underwhelmed, if I'm going to be honest. As a rating, I'll give them 4 out of 10. I'm in Gdańsk and I've ordered an iconic Polish soup called żurek, which is a fermented rye soup. It looks incredible. It's got pieces of egg in it. I think it's got Polish sausage in it. Let's give it a try. Oh wow, that is delicious. It's a really sour taste to it actually. Let me try a little bit of egg. I could imagine eating this on a cold winter's day. It's actually a really, really comforting eat. I would definitely order this again. The Polish sausage is also full of flavour. Wow, I love żurek, I love this soup. I'm going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Gdańsk is without doubt a must-see city if you visit Poland, but beware, in the summer it's very overcrowded and it's expensive. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave you with my rubbish attempts at speaking Polish. Jest Karkówka. Gdzie jest? Okej, to jest coś tradycyjne z Gdańsku, czy? Tak? A jest coś jeszcze, gdzie jest bardziej, ale bigos jest wszędzie, nie? W Polsce. Coś w Gdańsku jest. Może nie ma problemu, ale...
Kaszanka, bigos.
Weźmy karkówkę poproszę, dziękuję. Dzień dobry. Była ze śledziem.
Była ze śledziem, jasne. Mamy dwa rodzaje.
Okay.
Jedna jest po kaszubsku, ona jest marynowana w pomidorach. Ten śledź zmarynowany w pomidorach, jest tam śliwka.